you stupid bitches?
What up, you stupid bitches?
Hey y'all, so today we're going to be doing a tutorial with the Dark Magic palette from the new Jaclyn Hill Vault. I have not even swatched this palette or used it or anything like that, so we're going to try it out today and see what kind of look we can get with this. Please remember that if you have not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell if you want to be notified when I post videos. So yeah, subscribe and let's do this together. Okay, so I have zoomed y'all in and had to put on a little chapstick because my lips was crusty. They kind of still are. Alright, first color I'm going to go into is the color Poof. And I'm going to put that into my crease, and it's probably not going to show up because it's about the same color as my skin. I didn't set this primer, so it's got a little crease in it, but it'll buff out. Oh, this one over here got a big crease in it. What the hell? Okay. The world keeps turning. So, yeah, this doesn't show up at all. None. On my skin color. So, moving on. Let's try the color Shh. Am I in here? I got us so zoomed in I can't tell what I'm doing. Alright, let's try this in the crease. Okay, so now that we have put that through the whole crease, I'm going to pick up this Morphe E17 brush and we are going to dip into Potion and see if I can kind of start building up some color. Now I'm going to go back with that fluffy brush and blend this out a little bit. And I basically just put Potion everywhere that we put our last shade, but I tried to keep it a little bit lower. I don't know if these people know it, but the NASCAR 500 is in Darlington and we are in Hartsville, so I'm not sure why it sounds like there's race cars in my yard. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is go in with the shade Busted, which is this blue color, and I have no idea where I'm going with this. This has definitely got some pigment. Now I'm going to kind of blend this out a little bit. Y'all, I'm obsessed with blue eyeshadow. Like, I would wear it every day if I could get away with it. So we basically have this everywhere but the center of the lid, because I'm going to attempt to do like a spotlight eye. Now I'm going to pick up the color Inside Job and darken this up a little bit. Okay, and now just because I'm obsessed with black eyeshadows, just like I am blue eyeshadows, I'm gonna put some Temptress, just like a dab of it, on all four corners. Now we're gonna go back in to, that's so awkward to say. I'm gonna go back in with this and kind of blend out anything that looks harsh up here. Okay, so now I've done something that I should have done at the beginning, and I added some powder underneath my eyes because we're having some fallout, which is going to happen with dark colors, and I'm trying to save my foundation, but we'll see how it turns out. Alright, now we're going to see if we can cut out this middle part of our eye and create a spotlight. Alright, we've got this like somewhat very sloppily carved out, and it's okay because we're going to add more shadows in and make everything perfect. So let's get it. The first thing that I'm going to do is go in with the color Trickery, and I'm going to kind of stamp that on the outer parts of this. And now I'm just going to take my finger and go into Power Cut and put that on the very center. I'm going to see what it'll do if I wet a brush and try to put it up there. Maybe it'll be like, because it's not really doing what I wanted it to do. Fix Plus. The shadow is honestly a lot more dry than I thought it would be. And I can't tell what it looks like on camera, but in person it's just not really doing what I thought it would. Alright, so I'm going to put some Busted right in here. So I think that's about as good as it's going to get up here. Power Cut was really disappointing. Like, it looks like it would be this really pretty silver, like, shimmer color, and it just didn't twerkulate like that. I'm going to take this really teeny, like, pencil brush. It is a Morphe E36 brush, and I'm going to go into Busted, which is our blue, and drag that down here. Now I'm going to take this little teeny, this is a Morphe M213 brush, and I'm going to go ahead and wet that and bring Power Cut down. Just not working like I want it to at all. Okay, I'm going into this Armed and Gorgeous palette, and I'm going to go into the color VIP. Yeah, it's VIP. And I'm going to bring that down here. And now I'm going to pick up this pencil brush and go back into my other palette. Pick up Potion, which is our green. Like the original green that we started with. And I'm going to buff this out a little bit. And since I cannot get any of these shimmers to work, I'm going to go back into Busted and just bring that all the way around. These shimmers have got me over here looking foolish. Okay, I'm going to put on some eyeliner and lashes and all that good stuff, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. It was a little tricky. I'm not gonna lie, it really was difficult, and some of these shades in this palette were a little disappointing.
Carry on.
Basically, all of the shimmers in this palette that I used were really difficult and really chunky and dry, and I couldn't really get them to do what I wanted to do. I did put some on my lips. I went back and put Trickery on my lips, and it worked fine there, but it didn't work fine on the eye. So this is what we are left with, and I think even though it was difficult, it turned out pretty cute. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can be notified when I post videos. And I'm about to make my my cameraman take some bomb ass pics of this so we can put it to the end of this video.
I'm about to make my friend wax so I can do her makeup.
I need y'all to know that I have no monitor when I'm doing this, so I'm staring blindly into this light and hoping that everything goes good. Okay? Alright, love y'all. Bye. I can't even cut this motherfucker off.